Happy New Year, everyone. I was so excited to take down all of my Christmas decor. Usually it makes me feel a little bit sad to take down my Christmas tree, but I think because I put it up so early this year and I've just had seasonal decor in my home since August, I really was ready to start the new year with a clean slate in my home. I also forgot how much space my Christmas tree took up in my living room, so once I cleared this space, my room just looks so much bigger and brighter, and I was happy to put back my furniture from before, also clear out my mantle. I feel like it was starting to feel a little bit cluttered, especially right after Christmas. I still left the winter image on my frame TV. I think I'll leave it up through January and then start easing into some spring decor once we get into February. For my centerpiece, I have these leaves that I keep in here year round, but I really want to get some different options for springtime as well. I love neutral decor. I love my neutral room, but I think I do want to play around with some like brighter florals for spring. So once this room was cleared, I moved into my bar carts. I loved my holiday decor for my bar carts. I always change it out for each holiday, and I was going to just do a spring kind of theme in the next couple weeks, but maybe I should do something for Valentine's Day. So let me know if you want to see some Valentine's Day bar cart styling. I think that would be really fun. And I'll have both my bar cart and my mirror linked below. I've had them both for years through several homes, and they've held up so nicely. They're both super affordable, so they will be linked in my description box. Next, I made my way into our dining room, starting off with this cedar tree I bought for the holiday season. I definitely need to find a really large tree to put in this corner because I keep purchasing trees that just look very small in this space. My ceilings are very tall and I just need more of a statement tree, so I am just switching it out to a tree that I've had for several years from Amazon, and I just keep in this corner. But I do plan on buying a really large tree that really like pops in this room very soon. And then when it comes to our dining room table, I will admit we really don't eat here unless we're hosting people. We really just eat on our kitchen island. But I always do a holiday tablescape, even if we're not hosting, just as decor. I have a lot of the items already and I could just change out like the napkin rings and stuff. So I did have a whole Christmas tablescape this year, but I did not host Christmas dinner. I was out of town for Christmas. I just really love having the table set for each holiday. My husband loves when I do this too and just wants us to always have something festive going on with our dining room table decor. I did want to take a little break and just keep my centerpiece in my dining room until I do a Valentine's Day tablescape. So I'm really excited to start planning that very, very soon and then do one for springtime. But I was just excited to kind of clear this table. I feel like I wanted just a blank canvas for the next month. It's been a lot of holiday decorating for several months. But for now, I'm just putting away all of my tablescape decor and sticking to my table centerpiece. And then moving into my formal living room, I just added a few little decorative winter elements to our built-in shelves. I just got rid of those. I do want to do some restyling with these shelves this season as well. And then I removed all of the holiday decor from our fireplace mantle. I loved having this big beautiful wreath on top of our mantle this year. I definitely am going to do that again next year. And then I just used a command hook to add the wreath to the mantle, and I just left it there for next year. I didn't want to take it down. I was kind of afraid it would ruin the paint on my wall. So I just left it there. That's me checking to make sure that it's okay. And just put back my picture frame that I always just keep leaning on my mantle, again because I didn't want to add more holes to my wall. And then lastly, moving to my coffee table, I just got rid of all of the holiday elements, and then this is just kind of the neutral base that I like to stick with for my coffee table year round. I'll switch out some of the stems in my vase for each season, but this is just kind of my go-to that I really love for year round. It just has a lot of different textures and elements that make me very happy and just tie in the room all together. But that's gonna be everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed resetting my home with me for the new year, and I'm looking forward to sharing with you all of my home projects and home decor ideas for 2023. Lots of new home content coming very soon, and if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.